Team Karigari welcomes you to our virtual exhibition Byte Meets Brush 2.0. Before we start, we would like to introduce our galleries and lawn. We have 3 galleries where the exhibition will happen in chapters. Today, the artworks are exhibited in Anhad Gallery. Please enjoy the exhibition. Devi. Thus, Mahavidyas, also known as the tantric forms of Shakti, are the 10 wisdom goddesses, the 10 transcendental forms of Parvati. In this series of work, the artist has tried to express the 9 manifested forms of Goddess Durga as per the concept of Das Mahavidya, using wax crayons, oil pastels, markers, pencil colors, paper grocery bags, used tea bags, gold and silver foils, create a mixed medium paper expression. Artist Sachi Sulekar. Untitled. In this painting, she talks about the simplicity of life. The parrots on the branches on a gloomy day are a metaphorical representation of acceptance and choosing the right company, even though life is hard. Her designs reflect simplicity and beauty. Each painting has its own story to tell. Artist Ruchi Gupta. The cold mist of mountain. We live in a time when perfection alone is valued and when a sophisticated finish becomes the desired ideal. To artist Anjana, it is the raw energy of art that makes a work closest to life, where the technologies of perfection seem robotic. This is why she never tried to add a deliberate finish to her work. The cycles of the day, the odd touch of a dry leaf, the breeze that wafts into her studio, kissing her canvas. Such traces she cherishes and keeps. Artist Anjana Guleria. Autumn. The artwork expresses the artist's emotions and memories through color, form, and texture. Archana's work is a mixture of abstraction and it's an exploration of the relationship between real visuals and her emotions. They are reflections of the struggles, triumphs, and ambiguities. Artist Archana Sharma. Thank you for joining our virtual exhibition and stay tuned for our 3rd edition coming soon.